Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh, it's bright for me. It's burning my eyes. I just wanted to say, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going down here because I cannot see. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so anytime I post a new video, you will know. Well, I just wanted to say, let's get to this video. Okay, well, today we are going to, I'm going to talk about my chickens, my 6 chickens. Sadly, I can't do a minute for every one because this is supposed to be 3 minutes. That's what my mom said. Hello, mister. I'm making a YouTube video. Okay, well, here are my chickens. We're gonna make a bigger pen for them so like we can hang out with them. You see that red one right there? That one's my favorite. I don't know why, but it hurts when he pecks me. But do I love him? Yes. Does he scare me? Also, yes. Come here. Hi. Look at this one. Oh God, heck no. I don't want. Look at Red. He keeps always scaring me. But, I don't know why he's my favorite, but this is one of them. This is another. You might see that white one in the back. And that one. Mom, which one's the one that likes perching up on things?
All of them.
But the most. There's a specific one that likes perching up the most. I'm pretty sure it's the black one. Well, the one I see right now. The one with the black tail, mostly. Yeah, right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there's none in there, but we get lots of eggs from them. But bye! I just want to say all that. Peace out!